Hello and welcome to Jessi FIT Pilates, your home to get fit, toned, and flexible as we strengthen, stretch, and smile. If you're here, we are doing a quick ball, leg, and butt workout. So it's going to be pretty on the intense side if you're a beginner. I have other workouts on my channel that may be a little bit more suitable for you. We're going to actually be starting right away with some single leg bridges. So let's just actually get down onto the mat and let's come onto all fours. And we'll just do a really quick cat cow. There's other workout videos on my channel to warm up. So you can round, and then arch. But today's workout is going to be pretty intense. And then round. And arch. And the ball is one of those props. Now come on out of it that I feel like I don't do enough with. Lay onto your back. Place your feet onto the ball. You can always, if you're single leg bridges, if you are a beginner, I don't want you to feel unwelcome. You can always do these with 2 feet down. You're gonna lift your hips up and then lower. Right? And we're just lifting up and lower. Lifting, lower. Just 2 more. Keep your chest open. Now hold it. Keep the ball as still as you can. Raise one leg. We're keeping it at 90 degrees, then the other. I'm going to make this progressively harder. And then the other. Try to keep the ball as still as you can. Try to keep the hips at one height. I'm pushing my triceps into the floor. I'm pushing the down foot, the ball foot, really pushing that into the ball. And then hold one leg up. Extend and bend. Extend and bend. Extend and bend. 2 more. 1 more, hold it there, pulse it up. It's coming from my bottom ball foot, up. Take the other foot, bring it up, and then extend and bend that one. Keep the ball as still as you can. 2 more. 1 more. Hold it, pulse it up, up and up. Lower that foot to the ball. Lower your hips down. Extend the legs out. We're going to do a teaser to transition between all the exercises. Press your feet down so the ball doesn't move much. Reach the hands up to the ceiling. Curl your head up. Roll up. And then from here, bring your feet outside the ball. Come on up, face me, and bring your armpit underneath the ball. We're gonna come right to a side lying position. So I'm kind of over the ball. This ball is probably a little big, the ball is a little bit smaller, but we're gonna come right to a side kneeling position. This arm is up. Like I said, it's a quick workout, so we're getting right into the tough stuff. And what's great about being on the ball is if you're somebody that gets wristy or shouldery, this is no longer wristy or shouldery, and this is now in my hips. You can have this arm down anywhere in front to make that a little bit less challenging, less intense. We're gonna do 5 more here. I'm keeping my torso super still. You can push into the floor with your bottom knee and your bottom hand. 2 more. 1 more. Hold it there. You're gonna point the foot, small circles, small circles, small circles, small circles. 2, and now other direction. Out around. Keep reaching the arm up to the ceiling. Nice deep breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I'm gonna go ahead and lower that foot down. I'm gonna bring my knees down and I'm gonna grab the ball. Now my mat's pretty big, it can accommodate this. I'm just gonna reach my ball overhead and I'm gonna come up. And then I'm just going to do a few side bends here, so over to one side and up, and then over to the other. Now when we change sides, you might need to just kind of twist onto your mat in the right way. And for me, I can just be right here and be on the other side of the mat. Now I'm gonna send some of my weight into the ball so the ball can stabilize. I'm gonna take my top arm up because it was up on the other side, and I'm gonna lift, lift, lift. Lower, 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 and that's all on the side of my body. On the side of my hip, really. My bottom knee is supporting me, my torso is really still. Exhaling on the up. We're gonna do about 5 more. Inhaling on the down, we're just breathing. Everything is still except for that leg, and that leg is at one plane, it's not moving further back. 2 to go. Inhaling and exhaling. And we're gonna hold it up, point the foot, small circles. Circle, circle, it's not big. 3, 2, get ready, other direction, out around, out around, out around. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it on down, keep the ball right where it is. Bring your bottom foot underneath it. Bring your top foot on top. I think I'm gonna stay on the elbow today. I'm gonna bring my elbow right underneath my shoulder and I'm gonna lift up because I don't wanna be here. You can be all the way down. First, just top, press that top leg down, down, down. Then up, up, up. Down, down, down. Up, up, up. It's not that easy. Down, down, down. Up, up, up. Down, down, down. Now hold it down. See if you can lift and lower. Not easy. It might not go far. And you can have the legs a little forward of your hips if you need them to be. Lift. A few more like this. Left. Left. Maybe you can bring the top arm up. A few more. Now hold. See if you can squeeze here. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I'm gonna float over to the other side. You can get there however feels right to you. Lifting up off of that top arm, right? So I don't want to be here. Shoulder underneath that or elbow underneath that shoulder. Top leg, I'm gonna press it down, down, down. Up, 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 right? So you really want to squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Lift, lift, lift. This will be a little harder. Keep everything long. Ooh, as you can see, not so easy. Squeeze, release. Really engage the core. Squeeze, release, squeeze. 2 more like that. Exhaling and holding. Now, maybe you can lift, lower, lift, and I'm squeezing it the whole time. I really feel these. 5 to go. Inner thighs alive for sure. Abs are in super tight. Now hold it there, squeeze, 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 squeeze for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, I'm going to take that leg down and I'm going to come on to my belly. And I'm going to bring the ball underneath my thighs and I'm going to come on to my forearms. Just be careful if this bothers your back. Just try one leg at a time. Just see how that feels for you. Any pain in your back, leave it out. Now go heels together. And I'm just going to bend and stretch. Maybe keep the thighs a little lifted. Right, your grasshopper. And keep the ball as still as you can. Looking forward. And then holding it still and just squeeze, 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 squeeze. And then from here, sliding out to a plank. And I'm going to bend my knees in. And I'm going to try to get the ball to my ankles just to make it a little bit challenging. And just a few plank crunches out, out, out. In. Out, out, out. My arms are strong. And then if you want to try the pikes, up, 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 down, down, down. Or just stay with the crunches. Just a few more here. And one more. I'm gonna bend my knees, take one foot down, slowly come out. I'm gonna come on to my ball and just take an exhale down. Slide the ball forward and come into a child's pose. So I hope you like my super quick, intense Pilates ball for legs. And make sure you hit that subscribe button. My name is Jessi FIT Pilates, and give me a follow over on Instagram. I post there pretty much every day, and I'd love to teach you some more Pilates over there as well.